Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select multiple text boxes and move at once in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the insert menu. Select the text box. Now I am create some text box. You can write anything. Click right button and copy the text box, and again click right button and paste this. You can rename this. Now we can see here two text box. Now I am select this, press and hold the shift on our keyboard. Then we want to move this text box. Select the move icon and move anywhere. Otherwise you can copy this and paste this easily. Now we can see we select multiple text boxes and move at once easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.